again. Okay, today I am putting a fur cover on this IKEA Skruvsta office chair. And I really love this chair because it's so versatile. And it only comes in a couple of plain colors, which makes it perfect for customizing. So, I love this faux fur, and my customers do too. This is probably my best seller for this chair. And here I have it in a charcoal grey. So all you're going to do, it has a drawstring opening at the bottom, and you're going to position the opening of the strings front and center. So the rest of the cover goes behind like this. You're just going to pull it down as best you can, and then you're going to pull on these straps underneath. You might need to work the fabric around the back, because this fabric is really thick. So if you can just gather it around the bottom, all the way around underneath the seat. And then you're just going to do a bow, or double knot, whatever you want to do. I usually just tie it in a bow, so in case I need to adjust it later, it's easier to untie. And you'll have some hanging down like this, which you're just going to tuck up underneath. Like that. And if I turn this around, you can see that it's been gathered pretty well. This is the back seam that you might need to fluff up. Perfect. And then you're going to add the seat. Just like this. Squish it down. And voila! Beautiful new faux fur cover for your Skruvsta office chair.